Hello to you all and welcome to Improvate's Cleantech and Renewable Energy 2021 International Conference. I'm Lauren Iso. Improvate is a platform for creating long-lasting connections, enabling change makers in technology and decision makers in government to make progress through innovation. Improvate is all about finding solutions and sparking collaborations that improve the quality of life for people around the world. Today's broadcast will be dedicated to green energy technologies and solutions. Governments around the world are investing billions of dollars to promote sustainable technologies and combat climate change. This provides unprecedented opportunities for technology companies in the clean tech sector. And today we will be hearing from energy, environment, and infrastructure ministers and top experts from Greece, Poland, Bulgaria, Romania, Slovakia, Serbia, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, and Tanzania. We will also hear from Cleantech fund Capital Nature and leading Israeli technology and innovation companies, Chakratech, Aerovation Technologies, Maiman, UBQ Materials, Luminescent Power, Qnergy, and Finergy. And as always, watching along with us are representatives of investment funds from around the world who are looking to invest in Israeli innovation. Okay, let's move on now to UBQ Materials, which has developed one of the most promising advanced waste conversion technologies, converting household waste into a climate-positive raw material for the manufacturing industry, emptying landfills, one product at a time.
Introducing UBQ, the greenest thermoplastic material on the planet. UBQ is a bio-based, worldwide patented material that can replace common plastics in the manufacturing of thousands of products. UBQ is a revolution in the materials sector, as it enables the production of carbon-neutral and climate-positive products, something unheard of before. Amazingly, UBQ is made from our daily trash, from food waste, packaging, cardboard, and plastics that end up in landfills and polluting our oceans. We have created a valuable new natural resource that didn't exist till now, from a linear model that exhausts our natural resources to a truly circular economy. UBQ, everything matters.
As co-founder and CEO of UBQ Materials, Jack Bigio, also known as Tato, leads the company's vision and strategy, bringing 25 years of experience in international project development, financing, and capital markets with leading global economies. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
So why would brands or manufacturers choose to use UBQ? What are the economic advantages?
UBQ is a material that is made out of household garbage. We're producing 2 billion tons of household waste. It's the equivalent of 10 million jumbo jets full of people.
Wow.
80% is dumped in open landfills, 5% emissions coming from landfills, and only 4% of all this will be ever recycled.
Wow.
So using a natural resource from materials that nobody wants, in a way is promoting a circular economy and bringing back to life important materials. We are replacing fossil-based oil plastics, and that is a very important statement. On the other hand, we're coming also with a very competitive material, cost-competitive material, and that is very important for the market to adapt. And our price is, by the way, fixed. We don't depend on petrol or on oil, so we can secure long-term supplies to our customers. That is a very good proposition.
So is this a profitable endeavor? Tell us a bit about your business model.
Yes, it is. First of all, we take waste that is going to go to landfills, which is expensive to dispose. We're taking the foodstuff, the chicken bones, the banana peels, the hamburger leftovers, the pizza box with the pizza, okay? The diapers, the masks, the mixed plastics, most of them are recyclable. All of that stream together, we're converting it into one material. So this is waste, and this is UBQ material. We will do this with a very efficient, energy-efficient process, okay, with no sludges or carbon emissions. And then we will transfer it to our customers so that they get a climate-positive end material that substitutes expensive oil-based resins. So yes, it is a very profitable margin proposition.
And what is the global market potential here?
So look, we can produce not only replacement for plastics, but also for wood and minerals. So virtually anything you see here can be done with UBQ material. Now we're going one step at a time. but the potential is huge. Today we're working, for example, with Daimler, Mercedes-Benz in doing auto parts. We are shipping material to Mainetti, the biggest cloth hangers in the world. We're shipping material to the manufacturers of McDonald's so they can do climate positive trays. Here you have the sign of UBQ, by the way, next to McDonald's. And there is a lot of demand. The total plastic market is $600 billion. If UBQ would take 5-10% of it, you're talking about a huge company.
So what stage is the company currently at? And can you tell us about any potential expansion plans for the future?
Yes. We have today a plant in the south of Israel, in the Negev desert. That plant is going to be expanding abroad. Our first plant will be made in the Netherlands. We already have a building, and we are equipping the plant to be operative in 2022. That plant will serve not only the European market, but also other markets like the United States and Asia. And we consider to expand this technology vastly. We have waste everywhere, so it's a locally available natural resource for us. We can supply plastic products or UBQ-made products with your local waste. And basically, by 2026, we expect to be 1 million tons in the market. So using your waste, bringing it back into the circular economy with a climate positive and very green product.
All right, Tato, thank you. And thank you for bringing all these great examples in for us today. Really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
That's it from Improvate's International Cleantech and Renewable Energy Conference. We've heard today from environment, energy, and infrastructure ministers from Israel, Europe, and Africa, from top experts in the field of renewable energy, and from leading Israeli technology companies. Improvate is all about access and connections, exposing Israeli tech leaders to governments and companies around the world to promote businesses whose goal is innovation. The exposure right here at this conference is the first step, and the next step, delegations and real-world business connections. We want to thank you all for taking part and hope this is just the start of doing business together, making technology accessible to all and improving the lives of people across the world. Keep an eye out for Improvate's Homeland Security Conference on April 12th. I'm Lauren Izzo. Thank you for joining us today.